Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
If you still have some questions, just before, because Mr. Loh will need to go to LA tonight, right? And maybe after later on, you have some couple of minutes. And thanks very much. And do you think that we got everything we want for today's meeting? Okay. So shall we just invite Professor Loh to come here again someday? Okay, just before I have another thing to announce, and let me just do one thing. And how many of you actually know this meeting or event through WeChat or email? I think pretty much everyone, right? In our WeChat group, regardless, how late it is and how early it is, you ask a question, there will always be one person that over there to answer, right? Timely. And there's also one person reply to all this email, and regardless, if you're the friend or otherwise, you don't know her. And here, I want to give our special thanks to the one behind. You probably already got some help from her already, but have no chance to meet her. Where's Lee? Hey, Lee. Hey, Lee. Come on here. Lee. Really appreciate him, the hero behind all these events. Okay, thanks very much, Lee. Yeah. And also, before you leave, at the main door, remember there is a page of information you can get, and just in case you want the daily challenge with Professor Loh, and there is a promotion code for the online class. Okay, thanks very much for coming, and we'll see you sometime later.